The 9100 series auto-darkening filters are available in three sizes: the standard V size, the large X size that has a 30% larger viewing area than the V, and the newest model, the XX, is even 30% larger in viewing area than our previous largest X model. The V and X models come standard with solar assist to help increase the battery life. Due to the large viewing area, the double X does not have room for the solar assist, but continues to maintain a respectable battery life of 2,000 hours. Each model now has three independent sensors that are optimally placed at eye level and in the center of the filter to detect welding arcs during most any welding process or position. The 9100 series auto-darkening filters are constructed of a purple-colored UV IR filter on the outside, followed by a series of liquid crystal cells and polarizers that are laminated together to either pass or block light according to the welding conditions. The outside purple UV IR filter is a specially coated glass that blocks harmful UV and IR light radiation at all times, with or without power. Because the Speedglas auto-darkening filter is completely manufactured in our facility, we are able to control the quality of the components and are able to meet the highest optical class in 3 of the 4 categories as rated by the European standard EN 379. All 9100 series auto-darkening filters come standard with shade 3 in the light state, shade 5 for gas cutting and brazing, and shade 8 through 13 for plasma cutting and most stick, MIG, and TIG welding processes. The auto-darkening filters also have a red low battery LED indicator and an auto-off feature that automatically turns the filter off after 60 minutes of non-use. The sensitivity settings are controlled by the light gray Sense button. This button controls the amount of amplification to the electronics used to detect the welding arc. As the sensitivity increases in number, the electronics become increasingly sensitive to smaller amounts of light, causing the auto-darkening filter to darken, especially in cases of lower amperage welding processes. The light green rectangle on the far left is used for performing grinding operations. The dark green rectangle on the far right is used to lock in any dark shade. This is especially helpful while performing gas cutting and brazing operations. The delay settings are controlled by the black delay button. This button varies the amount of time the auto-darkening filter stays in the dark state after the welding arc stops in an effort to reduce eye strain as the welding pool cools. As the delay increases in number, the time increases in length. This time can be adjusted from 60 milliseconds up to 1.3 seconds. On the far left of the delay settings, there are 3 dots. This is a patented comfort mode for use while performing tack welding. In this mode, the auto-darkening filter pauses for 2 seconds in an intermediate dark shade 5 before fully returning to the normal light state of shade 3. This pause allows the user to see, to reposition the torch, but also helps reduce eye fatigue during frequent transitions from dark to light states that occur during tack welding and as demonstrated in this video. This tack welding chart helps graphically demonstrate the comfort tack welding mode for further clarification. The 9100 series auto-darkening filters are equipped with a built-in mag lens holder. This feature accommodates most mag lenses. These are easily fitted by sliding the mag lens into the retention slots and adjusting it to the correct position by sliding it up or down. This chart summarizes the technical specifications for some aspects of the 9100 series ADF. "3M is committed to innovation and quality. The Speedglas 9100 has been through many internal tests to assure that the product will continue to deliver a robust, functioning product. Radiant heat tests are conducted to test materials against high heat applications. Instron testing is performed on headgear components to assure they meet predetermined internal force characteristics. Cyclical testing is performed on our auto-darkening filter components and headgear pivot mechanisms to assure that they will meet internal fatigue test specifications of a minimum of 200,000 cycles without failure. This testing helps us assure that the 9100 series welding helmet meets the performance expectations committed to by the 3M and Speedglas brands.